Hey guys, welcome to our Spain trip vlog series. In my last video, we shared our trip preparations. We traveled from Windsor to Toronto and we took our flight from Pearson Airport to Spain. And in this video, I am going to share our first super duper fun day in Spain. Keep watching. Okay guys, so we just landed in Madrid and now we are going to get our bag and then we are gonna go to our hotel, and the time right now is 6:53 and we are super excited to experience this new country, so let's go. Okay, so we got euros. Okay guys, so we just checked in. Let me give you the quick tour of this room. And this is the view. And guys, just so you know, their outlet is different than Canada. So we are going to buy an adapter, and the shop is just 4 minutes of walk from our hotel room. So let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't have more video.
Okay guys, so we just bought our adapters. Now we are gonna go to another shop. Now as you guys can see, it exactly gives the vibes of Pakistan. We are just loving it. Look at this guys, so much fresh fruit. What is it? Why is laughing? Kitra baat piche ta kitra? हाँ मैंने आई थी. Lots of fresh fruits. They look delicious. I think they're gonna taste like Pakistani fruits. So let's see. And if you like them, we're gonna come back tomorrow.
Bueno, los plátanos te los voy a comprar.
Yes. Guys, the food is extremely tasty. It's delicious. We found this place because we are going to stay for 6 days and we didn't want to eat out. So this is pure ghar ka khana and it is super delicious. So anyways, we are going to enjoy our food and fruits that we got, and we are also super excited to try our fruits as well because they look like exactly like Pakistani fruit. So we are going to taste these two. So all these fruits we got for 7 euros, right? 7 euros? 7 euros, yeah, which is like cheaper than Canada. So yeah, I will give you the details about the shopping that we have done so that you guys can get idea about the prices in Spain. Okay guys, so we both are ready for work. And the time right now is 8:18. We have to be there around 8:45. We're going to have coffee. Sanjay's making coffee. We have called Uber. Now just stepping out. Let's go. Okay, so our food has arrived. This is kachori. That was complimentary from them. And today its menu is chicken karahi. This is how it looks. So this is chicken karahi. Probably they have put some cream on it. This is aloo bangan masala. And this is kachori. And these are rotiya. And lassi, of course. Savaiya. Looks delicious. Okay guys, so we just got free from work. The time right now is 6:45. Now we are heading out because we thought we should experience some nightlife in Spain in a nearest area. So yeah, we are just gonna walk and see what's out there. Super comfy, super relaxing and cozy. Okay guys, so that is the second axis of metro. So basically there are two access points. One of them is this. Okay guys, so we are at the wine store of Spain because I wanted to try some of the Spanish because I wanted to try some of the wines from Spain. So the person who was explaining to us, but he was a bit shy to come in front of the camera, but anyways we are going to select the wines with him. He's going to help us to select the best wines from Spain. Are these wines as well? So guys, this bottle is 350 euros.
This one is one of the better Spanish wines.
Oh, okay.
We suppose.
So this is one of the best Spanish wines. Maybe next time. Sitting in the lobby of our hotel because we wanted to drink water. We walked for 1.5 hours. So yeah, it's been extremely inactive days. It's been extremely inactive days since 3-4 days. So we thought we are not even working out. We are eating a lot. So we thought we should walk. So yeah, so we walked, got a bottle of nice wine. And now we are going to relax, and we booked 2 days off, tomorrow and Friday, because we are planning to visit a couple of cities of Spain. So we are going to leave on Sunday, so we still have 4 nights, including today. So let's go to the room, get fresh and relax. I got Sanjay, let's go. रूम में ओके छापड़ा देखा छापड़ा देखा so Sanjay is trying to show what Shah Rukh Khan's updates because he's die-hard fan Shah Rukh Khan, and he's like eagerly waiting for Jawan movie. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for today's vlog, but we still have so much to explore in Spain, so stay tuned for that because I will be sharing the complete Spain trip series with you all. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again